कल्याण, पनवेल, रायगड, नवी मुंबई परिसरातील ताज्या घडामोडी पाहण्यासाठी आमच्या आपल्या महाराष्ट्र या न्यूज चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबायला विसरू नका।
एईटी तर्फे XR ॲप्लिकेशन आधारित डिस्प्ले सादर। फाइन पिच LED डिस्प्ले बनवणारी प्रख्यात कंपनी एईटी डिस्प्लेने गोरेगाव येथे पार पाडलेल्या पाम एक्सपो 2024 मध्ये XR ॲप्लिकेशन आधारित स्क्रीनसह प्रेक्षकांना मोहित करत अत्याधुनिक तंत्रज्ञानावर आधारित फ्युचर रेडी रेंटल सिरीज सादर केली। एक्सपोच्या पहिल्या दिवशी अंदाजे 2000 सहभागींनी कंपनीच्या आश्चर्यकारक XR ॲप्लिकेशन आधारित स्क्रीनचे साक्षीदार होण्यासाठी एईटी डिस्प्ले बूथला भेट दिली। मायक्रो LED फ्युचर ऑफ डिस्प्ले या विषयावर आधारित एका पॅनल चर्चेत एईटी ग्लोबलचे उपाध्यक्ष सुपियो को हे सहभागी झाले होते। दुसऱ्या दिवशी एईटी बूथवर सुमारे 2500 अभ्यगंतांनी भेट दिली। XR ॲप्लिकेशन आधारित एईटी स्क्रीन व्यतिरिक्त डिस्प्लेने QR सिरीजसह इनडोअर आणि आउटडोअर रेंटल सिरीज स्क्रीनची विस्तृत श्रेणी प्रदर्शित केली आहे, जी XR, VR आणि इमर्सिव्ह ॲप्लिकेशनसाठी हाय एंड प्रीमियम कॅबिनेट LED सादर करते। कंपनीच्या व्यापक योगदानाबद्दल एईटी ग्लोबलचे उपाध्यक्ष सु पियो को यांना पाम एक्सपोद्वारे पुरस्कृत करण्यात आले। याबाबत सु पियो को म्हणाले, पाम एक्सपो 2024 मध्ये उपस्थितांनी दाखवलेला उत्साह आणि स्वारस्य खरोखरच प्रेरणादायी आहे। आमच्यासाठी उद्योगातील कंपनी आणि उत्साही लोकांशी संबंध निर्माण करण्याची आमच्यासाठी एक उत्तम संधी आहे। आमच्या ग्राहकांच्या कल्पनांची देवाणघेवाण करण्यात आणि भविष्यातील सहकार्याचा शोध घेण्यात आम्हाला चांगला वेळ मिळाला आहे। आपला महाराष्ट्र 24 साठी सुनील ठाकूर, मुंबई।
I'm Sangeet Mali, technical head of India AET Display. Basically, that we here in the Palm area ASEAN Expo. First time we participated in these exhibitions, and it's very wonderful and very crowded, and we are getting good opportunities, and even that we are getting a good response from the market and from the customers. So basically that we here in these exhibitions we displayed our indoor and outdoor solution products, which is mostly in the rental cabinets. We having a 500 by 500 cabinets, and even the 500 by 1000 cabinets, indoor and outdoor. Our few cabinets comes with the QCOB technology. So that even that QCOB, it's the transmit. It is a layer, the protecting layer over the SMD. There are another few product we have, 576 by 576 cabinet, which is very we are getting a very good response in the from the customers, and there are another few products which we recently launched, and we get the award for that product the last night from the Palm and ASEAN organizer. That product is the QV product, which is having this is an indoor product, 500 by 500 size, and this is a very very unique and very good quality product which we launched for our extreme customers. Thank you so much.
I'm from AET. I'm the country manager of India. Okay, welcome to this Expo, Palm Expo here. You know, AET India. So it's a fine pitch display solution. So as you can see here, this is our, we call it immersive wall for XR solutions. Okay, XR solution, the rental cabinet with QC, QE, QI, and QR. We have 4 different series of rental cabinet that we have already displayed here. That, as you know, how we going to do the rental wall here is something like a wall that you can propose a fast action for rental cabinet. So, as you know, XR solution now is very popular in such like TV stations, and also the events. So events such like wedding events, and also the broadcast events or news sector. News sector means when you are in certain place, not in outdoor, so you can change the background into like hue layer or something like a train station or a temple that consists of flooring. Everything you can change So those people, you no need to go out to the outdoor screen to shooting for this is called it extra solution that AAT can provide to our customer and our broadcast customer as well. So in Palm Expo, we are welcome to get our salesperson here to visit our booth. So all the series and rental cabinet, we have a fine pitch, we have a QCOD is our technology, and also we have the QI series. QI series, which is a foreign series that I'm stepping on it. We support about 2,000 kg. So even though the car also you can put it in the QI series of our cabinet solution. So I think that's all from here. Please visit our booth or visit to our AAT.com, our website. So we are the company we make in India with AAT, and we have more than 50 employees here now. So we have in North in Delhi, West in Mumbai, and also South in Chennai as well. So thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.